Hey, this is Commander Bacon with His Way Homestead, and today we got another issue with the truck. Minor issue. Don't get, you Ram haters, don't get all bent out of shape. It's not a big deal. Stay tuned, I'll tell you all about it. All right, so I got a notice, little message in the truck saying my right rear turn signal light wasn't working. So we're going to replace that. Not a big deal. Just got to get the bulb. That's usually the hardest part, is going to get the bulb. So we'll work on that. Hold on. I'll turn it around and show you what all we need to do it. It's not much. All right, so here's the right rear. All it is these two torque screws right there. That's what holds the light bulb in, or the light assembly in. Let's see if I got the right one. There we go. Let's see what this is. It is, that is not it. T25. That's all you need. T25. Right there. It's easy peasy. Take this screw out. It's really hard to do one-handed. That's okay. We'll get it done. There's the other one. You can see the light assembly is starting to come out of place. Normally there's like a snap connection. Might have to put it down to do it because it might need both hands, so stay tuned. All right, you just pull straight out. Here's the little tabs. They fit in little slots in here. All right, and then it's the turn signal, which I think is the bottom one. We'll take both off and see what's going on. Just slide that out. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this one-handed, so stay tuned. All right, so you can see it's actually working. The problem is it's a little loose in the socket. So as soon as I push that in, it stops working. See, pull it out a little bit. So the bulb's okay. I might need a new socket. So we'll just stick it partially out like that for now, and we'll let it go and get a new socket. Stay tuned. All right, I know it's getting a little dark, but the light came on. So what I'm gonna do, I cut a little piece of toothpick. I'm gonna put that down in the socket, and hopefully that'll keep the bulb pushed out enough that we won't have any problems. So there's more than one way to skin a cat. Stay tuned. All right, so I think I got it working now. The toothpicks didn't work. So what I did, there's little tabs in there that make contact with the light bulb. So I just gently pried them closed, and it seems to be doing it. There you go. It's working. So it's not a permanent fix, but it'll get me until I can order a new socket. I think that's what it needs, a new socket. So we'll take note of what light bulb it is and also that socket, and I'll keep that torque screwdriver in my truck, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully this is the end of it. So if it is, don't forget, His way is the best way. We'll see you next time. God bless.